Oh, it's microwaving. Oh. Bloody hell. I wasn't expecting that. Okie dokie then, we're back here again. I have managed to fix the old microwave. It has actually got rained on since I left it outside, and it got a bit rained on. You see it was splattered up the side there, up the glass. But it is on. Yeah, you can just about see that it is on. It's a bit dirty inside. I took the glass out, which actually did smash. Turns out the glass did actually crack the last time I'd done it. But I don't know actually know whether it still microwaves as such. So let's how do we do it? Start. Oh, it's microwaving. Oh, bloody hell! I wasn't expecting that. Let's turn that off. Well, I wasn't expecting that, that's for sure. Fire. Oh mate, I haven't even done my CD yet. So anyway, let's try this CD. I've got a CD here. Let's try this in it, shall we? See what happens. I wasn't expecting that mini fire just now. Never mind. Right. Oh, look, it's all black up there. God. It's proper like blackened and proper suited up in there now, isn't it? Well, that was pretty impressive. I kind of knew what it was going to do. I've seen it done before when you put a CD in there. But the microwave itself was making proper like tinging sounds. Don't know whether the smoke was coming out of the microwave or out of the things that were in it. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Oh, that proper smells. It really smells bad. It's burning plastic and metal. Remember the battery, there was a battery in there as well. The CD is pretty much completely melted. There's not much left of the CD. The battery's still intact. That 1.5 volt battery does not want to go anywhere, does it? There's probably still a remnants of a bit of nitro fuel in there and all, to tell you the truth. Proper smells though, man. I found this candle I thought, well, it's not going to do a lot, it's not going to spark or anything like that, but it'll melt pretty, probably spectacularly, so stuff that in and see what happens, shall we? I just turned the power off to it because I was melting the candle, and all of a sudden the microwave made a massive sort of bang, and then started crackling and popping, and I did get it on this camera, so we have got it footaged. Let's have a look, see what we got inside, shall we? Probably not going to be anything particularly spectacular. Oh. Bloody hell. That's a proper smell, that is. Bloody hell. Oh, so that's what broke. It was the glass plate inside that broke. It smashed. That's what was making all the noise, and that's what made the bang. So it wasn't actually the microwave. I thought it had given up, but it wasn't. It was the little plate, little tray thing that goes around inside. Looks like that battery might have gone now, wherever that is. God, that smoke's bloody strong, that is. Right, let's have a look at the full aftermath. What actually happened. That's all. Well, the candle didn't even really melt. I thought the candle would melt, but it didn't really. Well, the glass is all smashed. Don't know what all that is down there, all that red stuff. Battery, where's the battery gone? Oh, the battery's here. There's the battery. Somewhere the battery went, by the looks of it. It looks like it did kind of melt or explode or do something, perhaps. Yeah, it's proper is black in there now, though. Ah, it just goes to show, friends, that you can have quite a bit of fun with an old microwave. It's proper black in there. It's supposed to be white. It does still work. The only thing is we haven't got the plate in there anymore because that's smashed. I might be able to get one of those, but if not, we can still cook some stuff. We can still microwave, you know, anything else I can find. It was somebody that suggested the CD, so if anybody has any more suggestions of what you want to see inside a microwave to see what happens. What we've done so far, we've done nitro fuel, we've done petrol, we've done a 9 volt battery, a 1.5 volt battery, a candle, a CD, brake fluid, well, can't think of anything else that we could possibly do as yet. I'm going to have a rummage around in the old shed and see what I can find for next time, because it does still work. Oh, and I shot it as well, and it didn't stop it. The only thing shooting it done was made the bleeper not work. It doesn't bleep anymore. Sweet, man. Let me know what else you want to see go inside it.